Hey, if you're checking out some of these plastic pry bar sets for your car, I really like this one. It has this nice case here to it. Here's all the different kinds that it comes with. So I do like the big variety. It has wider ones, all these different types of pieces that you see here. And then on this side, you have these long metal ones. Has these pry bars here. It's got the little pins. I like the fact that a lot of these have some different shapes. You can use these on your car to pry off different plastic pieces. This side has like a hook with a little pry, as you can see there, and then it has this bent shape. And it just allows you to get in there where your fingers can't reach. So recently, a couple things I had to use these for was I was installing these new lights here, and this whole panel, you need to pry it off. I was able to get one of these, get it in here and pry that off. So they're great for things like that. If you're going to be working in this area, any plastic piece that you see here on the dash, all these can utilize these for getting them off. Another thing that I use these for is I took these off of my truck to install these new ones. So I just removed this to put this on. And these came in very handy for being able to pry those off. So if you're looking for a set of these, I do like these right here. They're very solid, very sturdy. And I like the fact that the case holds everything right into place, keeps it nice and organized. And that's very important to me.